Good morning. I, Dr. Navneet Chopra, Dean Academic Affairs, and presently also looking after research and development of Lamring Tech Skills University. Honor indeed to welcome Mr. Prem Kumar Mittal, who is a dear colleague and dear friend because we have been together batchmates while doing MSc at Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana, where we were also partners in crime. A very warm welcome to him. And he is really taking very good initiatives to promote academics and guidance in the district. I would also like to extend my warm welcome to Mr. Prabjeet Singh, who is the District Nodal Officer of Guidance, Dr. Jasbir Singh, who is a career counselor, and Mr. Baljinder Singh, who is also my better half to this counselors meet. A very warm welcome to all the faculty members who are also working as counselors. At Lamring Tech Skills University also, we believe that academics and career guidance should go hand in hand. That is why we made a collaborative effort with the Department of School Education, where we can have a discussion as to how the school students can have a smooth transition into the university. As a teacher, so this is a very beautiful poem by Shetler in which the role of a teacher is described. As VC sir said in the morning, that we know that the students, they believe more in their teachers than in their times. We have to work as an actor, we have to work as a nurse, we have to work as a doctor, a parent, or a finder of lost articles of students. So God has given you a very good opportunity to be in this noble profession, and in this poem it is mentioned that you are really blessed because you are teachers, because you are dealing with new students daily, with so many questions, with so many queries. You are living your life again and again. So as a teacher, he is saying that he is reborn every day. So this is a very common picture. We all have seen the movie Tare Zameen Pe. So teacher's personality and teacher's attitude, it really makes a difference in the life of the students. Made a shell around himself from which he was unable to come out. He lost interest in life. So our personality matters a lot for the students. But then there was another teacher which was played by Amir Khan, who was his arts teacher, and he helped the student find his passion, which will never be able to come out. I also give an example of myself. I think earlier also I have shared at some platforms. When I was in class 5th, our Hindi teacher gave us a page for handwriting. My Hindi handwriting was not very good, but I took quite some time to write that page so that I may be praised in the class. But next day when I went to the class, because I used to write in very big letters, and there was another friend who wrote very in small letters, and that was comparatively neater. So she showed the copies to all the students, both the copies, and she said, which is better? So that was the day from where I began to hate Hindi, and throughout my school I got a B grade in Hindi. So that is the effect teachers have. You can either push your students or you can pull them back. It depends upon you. Which personalities are visible in this slide? Mahatma Gandhi and Nehru, and the other one? Anyone? Any guesses? It is Alexander and Aristotle, right? So again, this is just to show you that what effect teachers or mentors have on the students. You can make great leaders. Like Alexander almost conquered the whole world. That was because of his teacher Aristotle. So you have a very great role to play in the lives of students. So this slide is depicting your class, which shows that in your class you have students who have different abilities, who have different interests, who are good in different domains. And as a teacher have to deal with all 30 or 40 of them, and ensure that I am at the level of each and every student. So this is again a very beautiful poem about counseling, in which the poet has said that the counseling is a healing room, because you all are working as counselors in your school. So in this poem it has been mentioned that a child or a person who is troubled and who feels that he is in a cage, you have the responsibility of giving him wings to fly. Whatever interest I am having, if I am very poor in drawing, can I go in for medical profession or arts? So this is the last step. Then growth of counseling in schools began after 1920s, when teachers and educators also started giving advice. But that was not related to personal guidance. It was just related to the career of the students. Many of you might have done this activity with your students. It is a very common activity which is known as the river of life. So as a river, it finds its way, and the direction of each river is different. Similarly, all individuals have their own river of life with different directions. So what you can do is, you can ask your students to bring charts and colors and give them time for about half an hour. Then you can tell them that imagine your life as a river. Like at times our life flows very smoothly. That you can show with some symbols. At times there are obstructions, like in the river at times there are stones. The river changes its course. Similarly, in our life also we have obstructions at our time, right? Like illness or lack of finance, that can be mentioned and how they overcame it. So after that you can ask your students to write a paragraph on it, that what do you gather from this drawing? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What are the obstacles you faced in life and how you overcome this? So this can be done for you also. You can give time to yourself as well for this activity. And you can ask the students to give a compliment to the student sitting on his left or right. So this will help to bring the self-esteem of students, and it will also help to build peer relationships through role play. For example, the role playing of a bully, a student who is bullying other students, how you will handle that students, or what that student is feeling who is being bullied. Or that can be related to professions, as this can be seen in this, that when I am playing the role of a doctor, I know what the patient is expecting from me. And when I am playing the role of a patient, I know what to ask my doctor or how to behave with my doctor. So these are a few of the activities which you can do in your schools. So that all the students have access to education. There is equity, these are the different pillars: quality, affordability and accountability faced by the current education system. And for schools, the structure, as you must be aware, now it is proposed that the schools will have a 5+3+3+4 system instead of the 10+2 system. So these suggestions have been given, and there is curriculum and pedagogy for each of these stages: foundational, preparatory, middle and secondary stage. Right? So by 25, it was expected that every student in grade 5 will have the foundational literacy, that is the writing, reading and arithmetic skills. Then the power of language. It was suggested in NEP that up to standard 5, all the students should be taught in the mother tongue, because at home, if you see, we are also very confused. We don't know what to speak with our kids. At times we are speaking Punjabi, and at times in front of others we start speaking Hindi with our kids. So as a result, the students are not proficient in any language. And now request Sarkar, please. So it is our privilege to felicitate all the faculty members who have spared time from their regular teaching work and graced the occasion.